Swasti, and a very warm welcome to everyone who's joined us for this amazing virtual event, Yvonne's virtual event. Honestly, मैं बहुत excited हूँ because today we are celebrating a brand that has existed 135 years. Just been a few days, Yvonne celebrated their 135th birthday. 135 years of existing for women, you know. I think when I think of Yvonne, what comes to my mind is this brand that has a purpose. They are really empowering women through the power of beauty, you know, really been a very progressive, and I think other brands are still catching up, but Yvonne has been leading this whole movement of change and empowering women through beauty. Also, of course, it is the second largest direct selling enterprise in the world. So it's a great moment for us, all of us, to be here, and there is a great lineup for you on this event today. A lot of exciting things, don't go anywhere. Right at the beginning, सबसे पहले I'd like to invite Managing Director Jayant Kapre, Yvonne India. Over to you, Jayant.
Good morning, Yvonne. Namaskar. 134 years, 134 साल. That is how old we are today. Now, आप बताइए, how many companies, how many buildings, how many people have lived 134 years? And we are still here. We are still doing what our founder started 134 years ago. When he created a perfume company to serve the needs of women, to create a business which would make women happier, empowered all over the world, all across for all this time. And we are going to do it for another 134 years. And so today is our birthday. We are going to do a great celebration today. But first of all, birthday pe, a person always wears new clothes. And that's what Yvonne is doing today. We have a bright new dress, and that is our vibrant logo, which is feminine, powerful, and ready to take on the world. So I wish you all a very big and warm happy birthday from Yvonne. Wish you great success. Wish you lots of years of happiness with Yvonne ahead. We will grow. We will enable you to grow. But today is the day for celebration. So happy birthday to all of you. Happy birthday to us. And wish Yvonne a great 135th year together. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Bye.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you, Jayant. Brand new kapde बनते हैं and 135th birthday है. We are actually here, like I said in the beginning, to celebrate a milestone, and I know you're as excited as I am to see this refreshed identity. So I'm not gonna make you wait even for a moment. Let's together watch the brand new Yvonne logo.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! I feel like doing a little dance because I think this new logo is so refreshing and so empowering. I can already feel the whole watch me now vibe, you know, that it's giving. I am Jessie, and thank you so much for joining us for this amazing virtual event of celebrating this brand new identity and of course commemorating 135th birthday of Yvonne. Next, I'd like to invite Swati Jain, Marketing Director. Let's hear from Swati what's her message, what she feels about this whole new movement and this whole new change, you know, that's happening at Yvonne.
So you guys just saw the Yvonne's new branding. How do you find it? I personally love it. I have been looking at it for the last couple of months, and every time I looked at it, I thought that it makes Yvonne so much relevant to the times of today. It's dynamic, it's bold, it's modern. It's truly Watch Me Now, as the campaign is called. In India, we've been transforming or empowering lives of the women for the last 2 decades. With this campaign, I think our commitment becomes even bigger. It's not only about empowering women and giving them flexible earning opportunity, but it is also about brand activism. It's about going and talking about the issues that are relevant to women a lot more. And you will hear that from Yvonne even more now. Be it breast cancer awareness program, be it domestic violence, speaking against domestic violence, all these issues will come in the forefront for Yvonne India's fight in the world today. We will continue to innovate, connect and speak out. Innovation has been at heart of Yvonne. We make extremely good products, and probably the products that nobody will find at the value and the quality that we can provide at. We are inclusive. We are inclusive not just because we work inclusively, but because the fact that we don't alienate anybody from any segment of life. And this inclusiveness makes Yvonne very unique and beautiful. We are a beauty company for the world, and even more so now with Natura and Company merger that happened earlier this year. a commitment that we have made not only to ourselves but to the world to make Avon one of the best companies in the world, which is committed to making lives of people and lives of our representatives better.
You think you know me? You think you know what I'm made of? Go ahead. Underestimate me. Put me to the test and watch me pass it with flying colours. I am the single mother who raised 2 degrees. The 50-year-old that doesn't feel a day over 30. The guy who likes makeup but had to toughen up to wear it. I may start as the underdog, but I'm the hero of my story. I am the one you didn't see coming. And now you can't look away. So go on. Underestimate me. Try me. Push me to my limits. Watch me now.
I don't know if over the video virtual event you can catch my excitement and my joy, but I really hope it shows, because I'm really happy about the fact, going back to Swati, thank you so much, what you shared, that Avon is inclusive not just because they talk about being inclusive, but because the kind of stand Avon has taken, whether it is speaking about domestic violence or, working for causes like cancer, and this whole new Watch Me Now, it's the way you're creating this movement, so to say, with this Watch Me Now campaign, reminding women that they are strong and, their potential is immense, and, empowering them to bring that potential out. It's truly amazing. In fact, if you are watching this virtual event right now, make sure that you become part of this movement. Join our movement. Use hashtags Watch Me Now. Use hashtag Avon is changing to empower and create a big mark right here with this event today. I'm Jessie, and there's a lot more excitement lined up for you on this event. We're going to have a panel discussion also. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I know there's a lot of excitement. I've already told you that in some time we're going to have a beautiful discussion also. But before that, what is Avon without Avon family? It won't be wrong if I say कि 135 years Avon ने इतना amazing जो grow किया है, इतने लोगों को empower किया है, just because of the Avon family. So next up, we have message from the Avon family on what do they think about this new refreshed identity and about the Watch Me Now campaign.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipshika and I'm the Regional Sales Manager of Avon India's Northeast region. I'm very excited about Avon's new look, the new branding. I think it is so colorful and it has this all young appeal which is going to help us connect with the millennials so much better. The one thing that comes to my mind, or rather 2 words that comes to my mind when I see this new look is this. I think this new branding is bold and beautiful, and it is going to definitely help us, reach out to all the millennials very, very easily. Also the tagline that we have right now of Avon, which says, watch us win. It's very, very positive. When I hear this, I feel so energized. I feel like delivering much better, and I want to work with a lot of passion. So let us all win, all Avonites. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Meghali Das, and I'm a leader in Avon for last 24 years. I joined way back in 1997, and this is the 25th year of Avon in India. I have more than 15,000 staff count working hand in hand with me. Really proud to be in Avon and working for Avon. And I'm so excited about the new logo that we have, the new look, the new color, and really looking forward to working with the new millennials with the new colors and the new expectations that they have from Avon. Thank you, Avon.
Thank you so much, Deepshika and Meghali, for sharing your wonderful, emotions and your journey. I think all of you have given years to Yvonne family, and that's why we are celebrating this day today. Well, two more surprises lined up for you. I've been telling you there's a contest till the end. Stay here because there's a contest that you can participate in, and there's somebody very, very amazing, an artist who will not just share her talent but also talk about her transformational journey. But since this whole Watch Me Now campaign is about transformation, और हम सब ने transformation experience किया है, that feeling जब लोग हमको underdog समझते थे, or people who did not believe in our potential, when they see us turn around and we can actually say, watch me now. I grew up hating my voice, and today my voice is my bread and butter, and there are so many people that I can actually look at and say, watch me now. So moving on to our transformational journey panel discussion, we have a very wonderful panel. First up, we have Swati Jain, Marketing Director, Yvonne India. We have Varija Bajaj. She's a well-known designer and philanthropist. In fact, her achievements are too many. She's a case study in ISB Hyderabad, being a successful entrepreneur in an unorganized fashion segment and being a case study at one of the best schools in the country. Not just that, she's also a mentor to many, many colleges, which is truly amazing. Lovely to have Varija Bajaj. And then we have Manjula Lamba. She's Platinum Business Owner, Yvonne India. Welcome to all you lovely ladies. I'd like to start the panel discussion with you, Swati. And my question to you is, Yvonne has been helping people, with this transformational journey, impacted so many lives. What do you have to say about that?
Just see, Avon has been in existence for last 135 years. It has been working towards empowering women for these many years. In India, we've been here for 23 odd years. With this new campaign of Watch Me Now, I think we're just solidifying our work towards empowering women a lot more. We are becoming bolder, more forward-looking, more advanced, if I could say, in our appearance and in our work as well. We will continue to give flexible earning opportunity to the women, great quality and value products to the consumers, and at the same time talk more actively about the issues that impact women, like breast cancer awareness, like domestic violence. In India, we've been working on these issues for last 3-4 years. With this new brand identity, the new look of Avon, we want to go even further and make sure that every woman in India is empowered and at the same time is being talked about of the issues that she is facing.
Thank you so much, Swati. In fact, the way Yvonne has been, if I can say, transforming lives over the years, and now with this whole Watch Me campaign, the way Yvonne is moving forward, I think we'll celebrate many more such milestones ahead. My next question is to you, Varija. You've had a very unusual, transformative, inspiring journey. Tell us something about your journey.
Hi Jessie, I'm so glad to be here to celebrate this Watch Me Now virtual event, and I'm so glad that you guys are putting this together to celebrate womenhood. My journey so far has been very unpredictable, if I may say so. I wanted to become a doctor, which didn't happen. Thereafter, I ventured in advertising and then pursued my MBA from Sheffield. I came back and I started working, not quite thinking that I will become a fashion designer because I was rejected by some of the best colleges in the country. As fate might have it, I am teaching in all the colleges that I was rejected by. And thereafter, I became an interior designer with no formal training in interiors. Got into the business of education. Another area that we work in is disability awareness, something which is very close to my heart. Again, with no technical knowledge, but I think extreme passion for all these things that I really love to do. I think they just happen to become my business verticals. So yes, my journey has been pretty much on the edge all the time because we decided to get into things which were, so to say, impossible, not the trodden path, and exploring something which was totally different, out of the box, and not what was prescribed and I love doing what I'm doing today.
If I can ask you, Varija, what is that one thing that motivates you, to keep expanding and, to go for more accolades, like 25 colleges you're mentoring, apart from designing, you're a philanthropist, like what keeps you going?
What keeps me motivated? Definitely not an external validation. No, I don't think awards motivate me or accolades motivate me. I think what really keeps me motivated is that very critical human being inside me, which is seeking perfection, which is seeking loads of learning. It's very difficult to impress that person inside me. I think that is what keeps me most motivated to become a better person than what I was yesterday. And I hope that stays forever because it helps me achieve better and better by everything that I decide to do.
Thank you so much, Varija. I think this is the most wonderful panel that I have spoken to. There's so much to learn from each transformational journey. Next up, we have Manjula Lamba. She's been with Avon, if I can say so, right from the beginning, and her own journey is absolutely inspiring. In fact, I've personally met Manjula ji once. Manjula ji, why don't you share your journey with everyone right here?
Hi Jassi, thank you for having me here. Well, I must tell you that I joined Avon in 1997 through a friend. And before that, in college and in school days, I always wanted to be, I always wanted to have an identity of my own. I used to love traveling. I was an extrovert. I used to love making friends. And then after college, I got married to an army officer. So, of course, I became a dutiful wife. Then I had children. I became a perfect mother. So during all that time, I lost my identity somewhere. And when I joined Avon in 1997, it really helped me transform my life. I still remember that, when I was doing Avon, initially I used to go on my Vespa scooter to collect their orders. And soon I was able to earn from Avon and I had my first car. My first international trip was through Avon. So it really transformed my life and I was really blessed to be a part of Avon. All these 24 years, I have done well in Avon. I have worked hard, but it has really given me lots more than I ever had thought I would get. And today I have an identity of my own. Plus, I am more confident and I'm really financially independent.
Wow, I am in awe of your inspiring journey, Manjula ji, because it's so amazing, from that scooter when you were sharing how your first trip and your car. I really felt like, we're all younger people, we're all in that process, maybe halfway through that journey. But my next question to you is exactly this, that, it's been a long journey for you, and it won't be wrong to say that you and Avon have parallelly grown as an individual, your transformation as a woman and, Avon's growth has been parallel, and that's what the whole Watch Me Now campaign is, growing together. So my next question is, what has been like your key motivation in this long journey? What kept you going?
So all these years to be successful, I have realized you really need motivation. And to be motivated, you do need support. My family, my husband, my children have always been supportive towards me and have helped me in every step to achieve and fulfill my goals and my dreams. To a certain extent, I am also a person who keeps self-motivating myself. Because without motivation, you really can't be very successful. So over the years, I feel that to be where I am today, I had great support system, and that's what has kept me going. And I still have many dreams to fulfill with Avon.
Thank you so much, Manjula ji. That was so inspiring. Thank you, Varija. Thank you, Swati. I think women are amazing. This whole idea of us being bold, being beautiful, nurturing homes, nurturing society, transforming our lives. And when we do that, this panel discussion was such a sweet reminder that when we empower and when we stand up and say, watch me now, when we transform, हम सिर्फ खुद को नहीं, हम और बहुत सी औरतों को भी इंस्पायर करते हैं. Next is the surprise. I've been telling you there's a surprise. There's a brilliant artist. I have somebody so special for you. Her song Bolna you've heard Jaan Nisar, you've heard Ve Mahi. In fact, Ve Mahi, Mahi Mainu Chhadeo Na was streaming on #1 on JioSaavn. None other than Bollywood singer Aziz Kaur. Aziz, why don't you share first your own transformational journey with us?
Hi, first of all, thank you so much, RJ Jassi, for this wonderful, wonderful introduction. And I am really glad to be a part of this virtual initiative by Yvonne, Watch Me Now, where I get to share my success story with all the wonderful women out there. Well, I sang my first Shabad when I was just 5 years old, and because I belong to a Sikh family, so there is this thing in the parents ki children should be connected to Gurdwara and the religion in some way or the other way. So my parents always wanted us to sing Gurbani, and they supported me a lot throughout my journey. And I remember in class 6 I decided to be a singer, but belonging to a very small town, Panipat, I had no connections in Bombay, and I never knew ki how my dream would come true to become a singer. But I always used to practice, and one day I decided to participate in a reality show, Awaaz Punjab, and that was an amazing experience, the whole show. And after that I took part in Indian Idol 6, but unfortunately I could not go further from the theatre rounds. So theatre rounds happens like I just came to Bombay for this round, and I could not clear it up and make it up to like top 15 or something. But everything happens for a reason, I think. So I came back to Panipat, and I was really disheartened at that time, and I thought I would not be able to become a singer. But for 2 or 3 days, I remember I left everything. I was just crying in my room, and I was not doing any kind of rehearsals or practice or my riyaz. I left everything and I was just crying. But then I gathered myself up, and I again started doing my riyaz. And almost after an year, I again came to Bombay and met a few of the composers, and they really liked my voice, and I landed my first Bollywood playback in just a matter of 3 months. And then the most important song of my life came, and that is Bolna. There's another story for the song also. I'll tell you in it a gist. When Bolna came, a lot of people in music industry acknowledged my voice, and I started getting a lot of offers to sing more songs. But in the mass, like usually whenever I used to meet anyone in the usual audience, or like while just roaming here or there, I used to tell them that I have sung this song Bolna, which features Alia Bhatt from Kapoor and Sons, and everybody was like, no, we think Alia has sung that song because the voice and the face really perfectly goes with one and another. And so I used to tell them, no, it's not Alia, it's me. So that's a little one of my favorite incidents with Bolna. And then a lot of songs came, Akhlar Jaave, Tere Bin, Ve Mahi from Kesari, and a lot of singles I've done after that, like Baat Nahi Karni Kisi Aur Naal, Gal Karke. I hope you are familiar with these songs.
That was so wonderful. In fact, जब आप कह रही थी कि आपने पहली बार गुरुद्वारे में शब्द बोला था, मुझे याद आ गया because we used to do the same with harmonium when we were young. असीस, आपने केसरी मूवी में वे माही गाना गाया था, which of course is so beautiful, and we can't let you go without singing वे माही. So and this is a virtual event. ये बहुत सारे लोग पता नहीं कहाँ बैठकर इस वक्त ये इवेंट अटेंड कर रहे हैं. Let's hear from Aziz Ve Mahi right now.
Oh Mahi, oh Mahi, Mahi जिथे भी तू चलना माही मैं तेरे पिछे पिछे चलना तू जी सकदा नहीं मैं जी सकदी नहीं कोई दूसरी भी शर्तां मैं रखदी नहीं क्या तेरे बाजू मेरा सच्चियां मोहब्बतां वे ओ माही किते होर नहीं ओ मिलना जिथे भी तू चलना माही मैं तेरे पिछे पिछे चलना ओ माही वे ओ माही वे दिल विच तेरे यारा मैनू रहन दे आँखों से आँखों वाली गल कहन दे दिल विच तेरे यारा मैनू रहन दे आँखों से आँखों वाली गल कहन दे धड़कन दिल दिए तेनू पहचाने तू मेरा है मैं हूँ तेरी रब भी जाने तू रह सकदा नहीं मैं रह सकदी नहीं कोई दूसरी भी शर्तां मैं रखदी नहीं क्या तेरे बाजू मेरा जो अख लड़ जावे सारी रात नींद न आवे मैनू बड़ा तड़पावे दिल चैन कहीं ना पावे 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 जो अख लड़ जावे सारी रात नींद न आवे मैनू बड़ा तड़पावे दिल चैन कहीं ना पावे 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 आहा 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 खन 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 चूड़ी तेरी खन 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 के रे खन 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 के वेख वेख के चेहरा मेरा दिल ये धक धक धड़के रे दिल ये धक धक धड़के क्यों तरसावे तेरे बिन ये रह ना पावे माही जो तू ना आवे 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 जो अख लड़ जावे सारी रात नींद न आवे मैनू बड़ा तड़पावे दिल चैन कहीं ना पावे पावे पावे
Hope you had fun listening to these songs, and now I would like to end this conversation with these powerful lines. I am the hero of my story. I am the one you didn't see coming, and now you can't look away. So go on, underestimate, try me, push me to my limits. Watch me now.
I had a great time. I am RJ Jassi and I don't feel like ending this virtual event. The fact that हम सब इतनी beautifully अपने अपने घर से connect किए and we spoke about genuine transformation was so inspiring. Thank you Assis, your song was beautiful. Before I go, I promised you कि एक contest है जो आपके लिए है, and that contest is, since this whole Watch Me Now movement is about transformation, how we change from not believing in ourselves to actually turning heads, आपकी transformation journey अपने comment section में लिखिए. Share your transformational journey with us and 10 lucky winners will get amazing Avon hampers. And thank you so much for embarking on this brand new episode, a brand new chapter of Avon, which is all about transformation, inclusion and activism. I'm Jessie. Bye.
You think you know me? You think you know what I'm made of? Go ahead. Underestimate me, put me to the test, and watch me pass it with flying colours. I am the single mother who raised 2 degrees. The 50-year-old that doesn't feel a day over 30. The guy who likes makeup but had to toughen up to wear it. I may start as the underdog, but I'm the hero of my story. I am the one you didn't see coming. And now you can't look away, so go on. Underestimate me, try me, push me to my limits. Watch me now.